Here we come to the opposite elevator at Hong Kong City Mall in Houston, Texas. It's a Schindler 300A with MT fixtures. I'm gonna get inside the elevator quick because there is music playing and I don't want to get copyrighted. Oh, the lantern's right there. I thought it was located on that side. Oh, I just had to re-level. Directional lantern plates needs to be put back together. I think people might be getting on. Oh, no one. Oh, let's see if we can get a full sound listen to the motor this time. I want to hear the motor again. All right, let's go back down to one end there. Handle's missing on the phone. All right, I guess I'll go ahead and watch the door close. So with that being said, there it goes. And that is gonna be it.